Hello students, today we will start chapter 7 Advanced Features of Excel. In our previous class we have discussed components of chart and today we will discuss how we can create a chart and commonly used chart type. So now we will learn how we can create a chart. It's very simple to create a chart in Excel. To create a chart, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to just go to any sheet, blank sheet, and you need to add few data. Here I have written name and Hindi and English marks of various students. As you can see here, so before creating any chart, first you need to put data. After that, your chart will be there. If for example, if I am clicking here and I am inserting any chart, so nothing will be displayed. So for that, for creating any chart, first you need to write data, then after you can create a chart. So for that you need to go to, first you need to select the data you want on your chart. Fine, just select it. Here I have selected this table. Go to insert tab. Here you will find various groups and under chart groups you can click and select any kind of chart you want. Here I am selecting column. Just click on drop down button. Here you will find 2D column, 3D, cylinder, cone, pyramid, various kinds of column option. Here I am clicking on 3D column, and as soon as I click on that, see here chart is appear. Here the Hindi marks are with blue and English marks are with pink, and all the students name are here on the horizontal axis, or category axis we can say, and the marks are here vertical axis. Fine, you can also display few students chart. I am selecting 4 students, and after that insert column. This time I am using cone and C. Only 4 students data is displaying here in the form of chart. It is very easy and simple way to see anything, any data, and you can also change the chart style as well as you get 3 more tabs here: design, layout and format. There are plenty of charts here in the insert tab like column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter and other charts. See, there are radar, bubble, donut, surface, stock. So there are plenty of charts to show the data or to present the data, but few commonly used chart type are column, line, pie and bar. So these charts help you to display your data in a pictorial form